Hello students, our topic is Dalton's atomic theory proposed by Dalton in 1808. First postulate is matter is made up of atoms which are indivisible. Matters are made up of atoms which are indivisible. It means all matters are made up of tiny particles, that is atom. Second postulate is atoms of an element are identical to each other. They have same mass and size. It means according to Dalton's postulate, suppose that we have element of mm, it's an element and these are atoms of element. Then according to Dalton, these atoms are these atoms should be identical in mass and size. Mass in size. Suppose that if it is atom of any element, x element, then all atoms should have similar mass and size. Third thing is atoms of different element differ in particles and have different mass and size. Suppose we have two atoms, x and y. X and y, they are two elements. Then what he said? He said that these particles of x, yani atoms of x, are different from atoms of y. It will be different in size and mass. Mass of x atom is different from mass of y atom. Fourth one is compounds are formed when atoms of different element combine in fixed ratio. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in fixed ratio. Compounds formed. How compound forms? When atoms of different element combine in fixed ratio. Different atoms combine to form compound. That is fourth postulate. Fifth postulate is chemical reaction involve reorganization of atoms, and these are neither created nor destroyed in chemical reaction. Chemical reactions involve reorganization of atom. It means different atom combine in different ratio and make a new product. These are the basic postulates of Dalton's atomic theory, and there are some limitations of Dalton atomic theory. Limitation of this atomic theory. What are the limitations of atomic theory? First limitation is that Dalton fails to explain the cause of chemical combination. Fail to explain cause of chemical combination. Second is it doesn't give an idea about isotope and isobar. No idea about isotopes and isobar. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss some modified view of these postulates. What are the modified views of these postulates? Now, modified view is first. What is the first postulate? Matters are made up of atoms which are indivisible. But nowadays we know that atoms are not indivisible. Atoms can be divided into electron, proton, and neutron. Second, second is atoms of same element may not necessarily possess the same mass. What he said? Element of same element or atom of same element may have same mass and size. Let's take an example of hydrogen. 1h1, 1s2 and 1s3. These all are isotopes of hydrogen. It is protium, deuterium and tritium. तो ये जो बेसिक है, it shows atomic number and it indicates mass number. These all are hydrogen atoms, but the mass of these three hydrogen atoms are different to each other. Third postulate of Dalton was that different elements differ in properties like mass and size. Suppose that we have two different elements x and y, then atoms have different mass and different size. But taken some example of calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20 and atomic mass is 40. Another example is potassium. Atomic number is 19 and atomic mass is 14. Both are different element but having same mass. You may take one more example. Nitrogen. Atomic number is 7. Atomic mass is 14. And carbon is isotope of carbon having mass 14. Similar mass, different element. Now, fourth is atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of other. Before that, Dalton what said? The atom is no longer supposed to be indivisible. Fourth is atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of other elements. Okay. According to first postulate, all matters are made up of small particle called atom. Second postulate, similar atom have similar same element have similar size of atoms. Different element have different size of atoms. Fourth is how compounds form. The compounds form due to different ratio of elements, combination of different ratio of element. Fifth is chemical reaction involve reorganization of atoms. These are neither be created nor be destroyed in chemical reaction. It means law of conservation of mass. But here is some limitation of Dalton. Dalton failed to explain why chemical combination, why chemical reaction take place, of how elements are combined with each other, and he have no idea about isotopes and isotopes. bars. According to our modern view, atoms can be further subdivided in three parts: electron, proton, neutron. And second one is atoms of similar atom may have different mass. Third is atoms of different element may have same mass. That is called isobar. That is called isobar. And fourth one is atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of other element. That is what is this? This is a discovery of artificial transmutation. Okay, thanks for today.